Hi YouTube, I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my auto repair videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear speakers from a Honda Acura 2003-2007. As you can see, we've already taken the top off, but we're going to put it back on just so we can show you, give you some ideas of how to take off the speakers and what to do. Removing the speakers is definitely self-explanatory. So there are 4 bolts that are number 8 socket. So we have a number 8 socket and ratchet wrench here. And there's also one clip on the back that I'll show you later, in case you can't see it. You actually don't have to take off the top panel. You can actually just take a pry bar or a screwdriver, flathead, and you see the speaker cover? You can actually pry that off. So in our case, it might be a bit broken, but there are 3 fasteners right here, or maybe a 4th one. But once you take off this cover, you can actually access all 4 screws. I mean, with some, you might have to finagle it a bit, but you can access all 4 screws. So if I take my Milwaukee, for example, I can access this one. I can access this one. I can access this one. Right, so like I said, the clip is on the back right here. So in order to unhook it, all you have to do is press down on it on the bottom side, on both sides, and you should be able to unhook it. Might have to finagle it. Even with the top on, once we take off the speaker cover, we can still take out the entire speaker itself. And like I said, it's magnetic, so make sure it doesn't get caught. But this is the speaker. Alright, so I guess the right side speaker is the same in every way, so I won't have to explain that. So I'm sure this is self-explanatory, but if you need to install it, the process is just the reverse of taking it apart. You just put the screws in just a few threads. And then once you have all 4 screws on, right here you can see it's only a few threads. Once you have all 4 screws on for a speaker, just tighten them. I'm guessing because this is a speaker, you don't want to tighten them too much. You might damage the speaker, but just be cautious. So that's facing the right way. So I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. I'm actually doing a lot of videos on removing different parts of this car. Like, for example, if you need to find out how to remove the seats, I have a video on that, so go check it out. I'll link it down in the description below. And I guess I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Look at videos on EYeOnAiman, especially the auto repair videos. And like I said, taking apart the parts of this car videos. And I'll see you there. Signing out. Peace.